boy YKTV Films, and today we are gonna go to Pick and Pull and grab me a new cluster. As you can see right here, my heat gauge is messed up. I know for sure the car isn't overheating because as soon as I turn on the car, it just says that it's overheating, and then as you can see, my gas gauge is actually snapped off. So let's get to work, baby. It's the next day and I installed this cluster. As you can see from the last couple of clips, I pulled it out of a 4-door. I think it was a 99 or 2000. So now my heat gauge works, and also I have a gas gauge now, so it's pretty well mint. If you guys like the Junkyard vlogs, make sure to give this video a like and comment and tell me if you want me to kind of talk when I'm showing the cars that are in the Junkyard that I think are cool. And that's it, guys. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's keep building shit. Peace.